Tidio is a powerful live chat and customer support tool designed to help businesses engage with their website visitors and customers in real time. It offers a variety of features to improve customer communication, automate support, and provide personalized assistance. Here's how to effectively use Tidio. Sign up and install Tidio. Visit Tidio and sign up for a free or paid account. Once your account is created, you will receive a unique code to install Tidio on your website. Install Tidio on your website. Add Tidio to your website by embedding the provided code into your site's HTML. This step integrates Tidio's chat widget seamlessly into your website. Customize your chat widget. Personalize your chat widget by adjusting its design, colors, and appearance. Tidio allows you to brand the chat window to match your website's style. Set up automated messages. Create automated chatbots or use preset responses to handle common customer queries. Tidio's AI-driven bots can provide instant support and guide customers to the desired information. Monitor conversations. Use Tidio's dashboard to monitor live chats, access past conversations, and manage your team's responses. This centralized view helps streamline customer interactions. Assign conversations to team members. Route conversations to specific team members based on the topic or urgency. This ensures that customers receive personalized support from the right person. Integrate with other tools. Connect Tidio with other platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and Google Analytics to unify communication and improve workflow efficiency. Track performance and analytics. Review chat analytics and performance metrics to understand how effectively your team handles customer queries. Use this data to improve response times and customer satisfaction.